welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Tesla Model Y redefines the electric vehicle landscape, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and refined aesthetics. As Tesla's versatile compact SUV, the Model Y continues to impress with its sleek design, improved range, and advanced features, making it a standout in the EV market. Equipped with Tesla's latest battery technology, the 2025 Model Y offers an extended range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, depending on the configuration. This makes it one of the most efficient electric SUVs available. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures superior handling and performance, allowing for a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 3.5 seconds in the performance variant. Its aerodynamic design not only enhances its range but also adds a modern, sophisticated touch. The interior of the Model Y exemplifies Tesla's minimalist design philosophy. A spacious cabin, panoramic glass roof, and premium seating for up to 7 passengers create an inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece of the interior is the 15-inch touchscreen, which controls everything from navigation to climate settings. Tesla's latest software update introduces more intuitive controls and expanded entertainment options, including new games and streaming services. Safety remains a top priority for Tesla, and the 2025 Model Y is no exception. It comes equipped with an updated suite of advanced safety features, including Tesla Vision and Autopilot. The optional full self-driving package brings even more capabilities, such as automated city driving and parking. Charging the Model Y is seamless, thanks to Tesla's growing supercharger network, now faster than ever with V4 technology. Owners can enjoy reduced charging times and wider coverage, making long-distance travel convenient. The 2025 Tesla Model Y stands as a testament to Tesla's commitment to innovation, delivering a perfect balance of efficiency, performance, and practicality. It's not just an electric SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation.